Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through setting up a complete project management system in Notion. First, create a new database and select the table view. Name this database Projects. Add a status property. Use a select type with options like Not Started, In Progress, and Completed. This is your high-level project tracker. Now, inside your projects database, create a new linked database. Name this one Tasks. This will connect all your tasks to their specific project in your tasks database. Add these key properties: a person property to assign team members, a date to track deadlines, and a priority property with levels like P1, P2, P3. Switch your tasks database to the board view and group by status. You now have a Kanban board to visually track task progress. Go back to your projects database and switch to the gallery view. Each project card will now show its linked tasks. Giving you a quick overview, inside each project page, you can add notes, resources, and meeting agendas using simple text and toggle lists to keep everything organized. And that's it. You now have a powerful, interconnected system to manage any project from start to finish. If this system helps you ship your projects faster, let me know what you're working on down below, and I'll see you in the next one.